guys, welcome back. I hope that you're all having a fabulous day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Thea. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we are actually going to be unboxing the Lashybox subscription for the month of January. So if you're interested in seeing what lashes came in Lashybox this month, stay tuned. Before we dive into Lashybox, if you haven't already, I would appreciate it if you take a second, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any future content. Now with that said, let's go ahead and jump into Lashybox. If you're not familiar with Lashybox, it is a monthly subscription box where you receive 3 to 4 pair of lashes each month along with some beauty tools. Now the price of this subscription is $13.99 per month. In addition to their full-size Lashybox, which I have, for the $13.99, they also offer some other subscriptions. They have the Lashybox Mini, which is $9.99 per month, and it contains 2 to 3 pair of lashes each month. They have the Drama Box, which contains 3 to 4 pair of lashes each month, and these are extra dramatic lashes for those who like really big, thick, long, dramatic lashes. And lastly, they offer the Soft Glam Box, which is 3 to 5 pair of lashes per month for $12.99. Okay. So when you receive your box each month, this is what it looks like. It's super cute, has little eyelashes all over the box. So let's go ahead and peek inside. Oh, okay. This is what it looks like this month. Great. And the first item I am pulling out is Lashybox X Jacqueline Love. So I guess it's a collab with Jacqueline Love, who I'm not sure who that is. And these look like some eyelash applicators. Very nice. I actually don't have any like this, quite like this, so I'm excited to get these. Not that I'm a professional by any means as of yet, but anything that I can get to possibly make the lash application easier, I'm all for it. And the next thing I'm pulling out of the box is some Lashybox lashes, and these are the 3D silk lashes in the style Cake. These are really pretty, actually. Very fluttery and flirtatious. I really like those. Okay, the next pair of lashes is again from Lashybox, and these are in the style Sprinkles. These are really big and dramatic, but they're pretty. They're very pretty, and that's what Sprinkles looks like. I'm not sure if those would work for me. They might drown out my whole eye, but they're really, really pretty if you can pull them off. Very nice. Okay, next we have some lashes from Jackie Love, and these are faux mink lashes in the style Capricorn. Look at those. These are very beautiful. All of these lashes are really, really pretty. Again, these are big, dramatic, very, very pretty. And these look like they're the same length in the middle and like kind of a little shorter on the ends, but very pretty. And then the last pair of lashes that we have, again, is from Jackie Love, and they're faux mink lashes, and these are in the style Maddie 2.0. Very pretty. All 4 pair of these lashes are gorgeous. Now, will they all fit my eye shape? I'm not sure, but they're very, very pretty, and I'm looking forward to playing with them and trying them out. It's been really fun experimenting with lashes lately. I'm going to perfect them here soon, and you're going to see me wearing them on camera soon. Very, very soon. Okay, it looks like we have, let's see, one more item in the box? Yes. And this looks like a palette of some sort, and it's called Crescent Moon. That's what that looks like. Packaging is cute. Let's go ahead and slide it out. That's what it looks like, same packaging basically. And it says on the back 4-color eyeshadow, so let's see what they are. Oh, it's broken. Oh, it's very, very pretty, but the really glittery one here, Ophelia, is broken. I hope you guys can see that. Great, this quad is very beautiful, but that color is broken. I'm gonna see if I can press it back in. But I'll go ahead and give you some quick swatches of these. These are colors that I definitely know I'll play with. It looks familiar. This palette looks familiar. I wonder if this is the same brand or the same one I got in another subscription box. I'm not sure, because now that I'm looking at it, especially swatching, the colors seem very familiar, like I've done this before. But yeah. Huh. Okay, I gotta look back through my other stuff. That's what those colors look like. They're absolutely gorgeous. And I'm telling you, I'm having deja vu because I truly remember swatching something the same or very similar to this. As soon as I finish this video, I'm going to go check. It may have been in my Lash Me monthly box. I'm not sure. But again, the colors are stunning. Absolutely stunning. A beautiful, beautiful palette. Okay guys, so that's everything that came inside of this month's Lashybox. Now this box does not come with a card explaining the products in the box or giving the prices, so I'm going to jump online real quick and see if I can find some prices for you. Okay, so I made an attempt to look up some prices online and I did the best I could. I found some items I was able to find and some I didn't find, but I found some similar items, or the items were about the same price on the page. So here's what we got. It says that this eyeshadow palette from Cass Cosmetics is valued at $44.99. Now, it is absolutely stunning, but there's no way I would pay $44.99 for 4 eyeshadows. But anyway, that's the retail value of this palette on the site, so we're going to go with that. The next thing is this applicator. I could not find this exact one on Lashybox, but their other applicators were $4.99, so we're going to give this a value of $4.99. Now the Lashybox lashes, I also did not see either of these 2 styles on their website, but all of the other lashes were $9.99 a pair, so we'll go with $9.99 a pair. And then we have the 2 Jackie Love Faux Mink lashes. I checked their site, and again, I did not see these 2 particular styles, but their other Faux Mink lashes range anywhere from $14.99 to $18.99. So let's just go ahead and value these on the lower end at $14.99 a pair. Now when we do that, I come up with a total box value of $99.85, which is really not bad for a $13.99 box. I really do enjoy getting this little box. Now, do I think the value is a little overinflated for some of the products? Absolutely, because I definitely would not pay $44.99 for an eyeshadow palette. But like I said, that is what it's selling for on their website, and it says it's currently sold out. So apparently somebody is buying these eyeshadow palettes at $44.99. But anyway guys, let me know what you thought about this month's Lashybox down in the comments below. Do you receive Lashybox, or are you considering getting the subscription? I'll go ahead and leave their information down below for those of you who'd like some more information. Anyway, that's all that I have for today. As always, thank you for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. If you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like before you leave, I'd appreciate that as well. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.